Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to delete your account on the Shein app. So let's get started. Open the Shein app on your smart device and make sure you're signed into your account. By opening the Shein application on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile that says Me and then click on it. Then, on the next page, in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the setting option, which is represented by a gear arc, and click on it. Clicking on the setting option will open a drop-down menu in which you will go down to the option, Manage My Account, and click on it. The application will open a new page where you will find the option, Delete Account, in the drop-down menu, and click on it. When the next page opens, the Shein application will explain in detail what will happen, but it will not just allow you to delete your account, but will let you apply to delete account. In order to do that, you just need to click on the field that says Apply to Delete Account, and a request will be sent. Note that this action is usually permanent, so make sure you want to delete your account before proceeding. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can delete your account on the Shein app. Remember, this process is usually irreversible, so trust yourself that this is what you want to do. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more app tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.